Hello everyone, welcome to Manwar Education. So in this video we will discuss placements of IHM Bangalore. लास्ट वीडियो में हमने प्लेसमेंट्स ऑफ IHM पूसा देखा था. इस वीडियो में IHM बैंगलोर के प्लेसमेंट के बारे में बात करेंगे. हम लोग ये भी देखेंगे कि फीस स्ट्रक्चर क्या है IHM बैंगलोर का, एंड व्हाट आर दी रिक्रूटिंग इंडस्ट्रीज, व्हाट आर दी recruiting companies and salary packages, how much IHM Bangalore students get. Okay, so before we proceed ahead, we have launched the batches for hotel management entrance examination such as NCHM, CET, JEE, ECHAT, IHM Aurangabad. So in this batches you will get live classroom coaching, books, shortcut tricks, doubt classes, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made where all the queries of your will be solved by our faculties, 10,000 questions for practice purpose, and mentorship by our exam mentors. So what are you waiting, guys? Book your seat now. Call on 8828581454, or you can also visit to our website manwaredu.com/hotel management entrance examination. Now guys, let us discuss about fees structure of IHM Bangalore. So fee structure is 3,24,750 rupees. Okay, so this is a approx fees structure because हर साल it varies. Okay, and in this fee structure it includes admission fees, tuition fees, student activity fees, ID card fees, internal examination fees, and hostel fees is not included. Let me tell you guys, this is a research based data and it is not fixed. If you see some other website you will get some different number, and fees structure हर year vary होता है, कभी कम भी होगा कभी ज़्यादा भी होगा. So this is a approx number you can expect. Okay, so this much amount you have to pay. Now after this, recruiting industry. So very first recruiting industry is hotel industry. So in this hotel industry, the job profile you will get front office manager, restaurant manager, you can be a chef, you can be a general manager, you can work in housekeeping department. So these all are the jobs which have been offered to you in hotel industry. After that, fashion industry companies are also recruiting the IHM Bangalore students. Okay, so in fashion industry you will be working as a relationship manager, fashion manager. So these kind of a job role you will get in these industry. Okay, now let us discuss about recruiting companies. So which are the companies are recruiting to IHM Bangalore students? So companies like Tommy Hilfiger, this is a fashion industry company. Accor, the Reliance Hotel Group, Starbucks is there, Oberoi Hotel and Resort, Dalila, Bata is there, KFC is there, Club Mahindra, Green Park Hotel, Taj, JW Marriott, ITC, Hilton, and many more companies come and visit to IHM Bangalore and recruit the IHM Bangalore students. Okay, now if I talk about salary package, so highest salary it has been offered to IHM Bangalore student, it was 5.07 lakh per annum, average was 3.60 lakh per annum, and lowest is 1.80 lakh per annum. This is also a approx salary package, and this also changes every year. This also depend on how you have performed in your 3 years of academics, how you have performed in the interview. So these all are parameter will decide how much salary you will get. Now guys, if you want to prepare for NCHM CET and if you want to get admission into IHMs, then you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number, our team will help you. If you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai, our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website. You can follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Guys, we have also launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for hotel management entrance examination. You can subscribe to this channel also. Guys, link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. This is all about in this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.